Hey there, food lovers! Welcome to another delicious adventure in the kitchen. Are you craving a quick and easy chocolate dessert that will satisfy your sweet tooth? Well, look no further. Today, we're going to show you an irresistible recipe for a melt-in-your-mouth chocolate cake that uses just 4 simple ingredients. Yes, you heard that right, only 4 ingredients. It's almost too good to be true. Get ready to be amazed by its simplicity and divine taste. This cake is not only easy to make, but also incredibly delicious. Whether you're a beginner baker or just looking to satisfy a sudden chocolate craving, this recipe is perfect for you. No need for complicated ingredients or fancy equipment, just the essentials to create a mouth-watering result. So, follow along with me, and together, let's create an unforgettable treat that will impress everyone who tastes it. Get your apron on, and let's get baking. For this magical cake, you will need a few essential ingredients that come together to create a symphony of flavors and textures. Let's dive into what makes this cake truly special. Dark chocolate. Choose a good quality chocolate, at least 70% cocoa, for an intense and deep flavor. The richness of the chocolate is the heart of this cake, providing a deep, luxurious taste that is both indulgent and satisfying. The higher the cocoa content, the more pronounced the chocolate flavor will be. Eggs. They bring lightness and texture to the cake. Choose them fresh for best results. Fresh eggs ensure that the cake rises well and has a tender crumb. They also add a subtle richness that complements the chocolate perfectly. Sugar. It sweetens the chocolate and balances the flavors. Adjust the amount to your liking. The sugar not only adds sweetness, but also helps to create a moist and tender cake. Depending on your preference, you can use more or less sugar to achieve the desired level of sweetness. Butter. It brings softness and richness to the cake. Use unsalted butter at room temperature. The butter adds a creamy texture and a rich flavor that enhances the overall taste of the cake. Make sure it is at room temperature to blend seamlessly with the other ingredients. These 4 simple ingredients combine to create a chocolate masterpiece. The quality of each ingredient is important, so choose them carefully. When mixed together, they create a cake that is not only delicious, but also a true work of art. The balance of flavors and textures is what makes this cake stand out, making it a favorite for any chocolate lover. The preparation is child's play, and the results are simply magical. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures that your cake bakes evenly. Next, grease and flour a cake pan to prevent the cake from sticking. Second, melt the chocolate and butter in a double boiler. Stir continuously until the mixture is smooth and glossy, ensuring that the chocolate doesn't burn. Third, in another bowl, beat the eggs with the sugar. Continue beating until the mixture becomes pale and has doubled in volume. This step is crucial for a light and airy texture. Fourth, gently fold the melted chocolate into the egg-sugar mixture. Be careful not to deflate the eggs. Mix until everything is well combined and you have a uniform batter. Fifth, pour the batter into the prepared pan. Smooth the top with a spatula and place it in the oven. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, keeping an eye on it to avoid overbaking. The cake is done when it is firm to the touch. To be sure, insert a knife into the center. It should come out clean. If not, give it a few more minutes. Let the cake cool in the pan for about 10 minutes. This helps it set and makes it easier to remove. Once cooled, gently remove the cake from the pan and let it cool completely on a wire rack before serving. Enjoy the simplicity and magic of this delightful treat. This cake is delicious as is, but feel free to customize it to your liking. Add a pinch of salt to enhance the chocolate flavor. Stir in chopped nuts, such as almonds or hazelnuts, for added crunch. Flavor the batter with a little strong coffee for a more intense flavor. Dust the cooled cake with icing sugar, cocoa powder, or decorate it with fresh fruit for a gourmet finishing touch. So what are you waiting for to try this simple and delicious chocolate cake? Share your creations with me on social media using the hashtag #ChochEasyChocolate. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more gourmet and easy recipes. See you soon for new culinary adventures.